up and we haven't even moved yet.
And he said, like, lift up your board.
Yeah, I think he meant lift up your thing, make sure it works.
I know.
Are you guys ready? Way at the front?
Right there.
Oh, wow. I totally missed that.
Right up his head.
Oh, there's a Thin Mickey right there. Good call, Kelly.
If you dig, dig, dig with a shovel or a pick, dig, 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 get a line the whole day through. To dig, 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 dig is what I like to do. In a mine, where a million diamonds. Hi-ho! Hi-ho!
On Mine Train where we could see the fireworks. That has to be such a highlight for us. Look at that! Dun, 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 dun. All right, we're going back around again. Number 3, third time on Mine Train. Woohoo! We're not getting tired of Mine Train, not yet. Never tired of Mine Train. Yep. Tim's in the front this time. Tim is still solo. Poor guy. Has to ride with strangers. We're on Mine Train for the 5th time in a row. Yes! 5! I think this is 5.
No, this is 5th. Yeah, 5th.
Yeah, we're on 5 now. I have all the kiddos. All the adults bailed on me. What? So now it's the big kid with all the little kids and big kids. I told you, I've run into more snakes at Magic Kingdom. Is that real? No. And wild baby giraffe.
It's not real.
Are you sure?
It is? I don't know. Somebody touch it.
No.
Ellie, pick it up.
That's not real.
It's not real.
Would that not be my luck though?
Oh, yeah.
I am the snake charmer. I run into snakes everywhere. All the dancing machines are ready to do Space Mountain. Space Mountain! Welcome, space travelers, to Starport. The escalator is not working, but it's like so mushy. So it's like Hunter and Kelly are like moonwalking. It is mushy. she? Hunter, you look like you're moonwalking.
Yeah. We had an adventure seeing friends and going on mine train 5 times. Yes, we did it 5 times. But thank you guys for joining us. Keep on dreaming. Bye. Love you all.